Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video on your YouTube homepage. The page is the one that they see before they decide whether or not they want to subscribe to your channel page. When people land on your channel page, the first thing they're gonna see is your banner. We want to make sure our banner is so clear. For example, I'll show you a photo of my banner. When you land on my channel, you know you're going to get music, motivation, talking about new videos every week. So think about that. When people land on your channel page, are you able to make it clear to them? Are they able to see exactly what they're going to get on your channel? The second PowerPoint that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with the idea of the links that we put on our channel. A lot of people, they have links on their channel banner that links out to Facebook, it links out to Twitter, and all those things are good. But from my experience, what I've learned is that we want to have as few links as possible linking away from YouTube. We want to keep the people on YouTube. That's when the YouTube system rewards us, when we're able to keep them on. I had to get my mindset right for it. Check out this video right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I put that together. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. Check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Amazon links in the description. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.